Another very important memory technique is called mnemonics. Mnemonics. The M is silent. It's called mnemonics. What is mnemonics? Very simple. I hope you have heard of Vibgyor. Some people remember it as a Roy G. Biv. What is it? It's colors of a rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Vibgyor or Roy G. Biv. Some people remember it. Some people remember the different mnemonic: Raven, Raven. This is the language thing. Remember, affect, verb, effect, noun in the order they appear. Now, this is for all the planets. MVEMJSUNP. Now, very difficult to remember this thing, correct? This thing is very difficult to remember. I can't remember this. I mean, I will need another mnemonic for this or some other memory technique, right? So mnemonic have another very simple way of remembering complex short forms. See, this is very easy. Vibgyor or Roy G. Biv. This is Raven. You can easily remember. But this one you can't. So what you do is, my very excellent mother just served us 9 pizzas. My very excellent mother just served us 9 pizzas. My Mercury, very Venus, excellent Earth, mother Mars, just Jupiter, served Saturn, us Uranus, 9 Neptune, pizzas Pluto. Simple. Now you can either remember Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, or you can just remember, my very excellent mother just served us 9 pizzas. Make sense? Now let's look at some other mnemonics. This is from math. PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The way you solve maths, in the order of importance: parenthesis first, exponential later, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. Okay. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parenthesis, exponential, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Again, this one is, so this is at least easy to remember. PEMDAS, right? How will you remember this? What is that? Can't remember. So, King Philip came over for great spaghetti. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. This is a history thing. This is in history, most probably European history. Now, PEMSIAN, perhaps this is easy to remember, but you can make it: prime ministers can't eat any nachos. Prime ministers can't eat any nachos. What is it? Pacific, Mountain, Central, Eastern, Atlantic, Newfoundland. What is this? Time zones. Prime Minister can't eat any nachos. Pacific, Mountain, Central, Eastern, Atlantic, Newfoundland. Now, very, very important technique. This technique is also called chunking. Have you heard of chunking? Chunking is when people club lot of information into 2 or 3 or 4, and that information they make it easier to remember, especially in the telephone. In the phone, my number I remember as 765 409 3109. 765 409 3109. right? That's how I remember my phone. I'm sure you remember your phone numbers in 334. Nowadays, nobody remembers the phones, but at least before, we used to remember area code, then middle, and last. We have social security numbers. We all have them. We usually have 3 digits, 2 digits, and 4 digits. That's how we remember them, correct? Now, I'm not going to tell you my social security number here, okay? But we do 3 digits, 2 digits, 4 digits. That's the chunking method. Chunking method is also called, it's similar to mnemonics. The way to form mnemonics is two ways. One is you can form something called a PEMDAS, which is easy to remember. Or if you don't want to remember PEMDAS, then you can just say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. All right. I hope you learned something. This is a very important memory technique. And this is Dr. Ninad from Inner Labs.